Hey guys, I made a stackable cone Christmas tree. I wanted it stackable so that it would take up less space when I store it. I had a lot of cardstock, so I taped sheets together to create a bigger sheet of paper. With a ruler, I made marks that were 20 inches from the 90-degree corner. I connected them to form an arc. Then cut it out. I also made 2 arcs that were 14 inches, 2 that were 8 inches, and a 4-inch arc. I taped both sides of the sheet to make it stronger. Then I formed the cone. I should have wrapped another layer where the sides connect to make the cone stronger. It ended up having this line, which became the back of my tree. For the base of the cone, I drew and cut out a 10-inch circle with a 7-inch circle in it, then made another one. I drew and cut out a 7-inch circle with a 4-inch circle in it. I made a 4-inch circle with a 2-inch circle in it. I glued the matching circles together to make them stronger. Next, I connected the 8-inch cone to the 4-inch circle. Then tape the 4-inch cone in it. I connected the 14-inch cone to the 7-inch circle. Then tape the 8-inch cone in it. I connected the 20-inch cone to the 10-inch circle. Then tape the 14-inch cone in it. I used this red macrame cord to wrap it. I glued the end of the cord over the tip of the cone. Then I wrapped it around the cone while adding drops of glue. I covered the bottom as well. Repeat this with the other cones, then stack them. And here's how it turned out.